Chadai Ball Beezy in the house.
Barteezy.
Barteezy.
Bartender Chadai.
Slap it.
Channel. You are watching Beatrice TV. If you don't know, now you know. It's been a minute, but I'm back with the jumbo. Me and my little like lingos gotta go. Me and my little phrases that I be saying, my catchphrases, because they are not cute. As you can already see by the title, this is the Harmonizing game, and I am here with the lovely
Chadai. Hi everybody.
Tell them how your name is spelled, because it's pretty like unique how it's spelled.
It's Chadai. I get it from my two grandmothers, Charlotte, Charlotte, and Daisy, Dai.
That's
so interesting.
Yeah. So when you blow up, are you gonna use your name Chadai, even though knowing that we have a Chadai already?
Yes, definitely. Only because it's spelled differently. My name is gonna be marketable.
Definitely. So watch out for Chadai. Okay, with a C. Okay, because she will be on your TV screen soon. Anyways, we're gonna get into this video. We are sipping a little something. We got a little bit of vodka and Twister up in here. Just to like loosen up a bit. You know, just feeling nice. Feeling nice. It is Wednesday, the middle of the week. Who drinks on a Wednesday? Who drinks on a Wednesday?
I'm dead.
And apparently it's Mean Girls Day too. So on Snapchat, there's this filter that says Mean Girls Day, wear pink or something. She's wearing pink. Allegedly, she just did that by accident. I think she did it on purpose.
It was an accident.
She got the memo. I did not. As you can see, I'm wearing orange. Closest thing to pink, though. Got it? Okay. Anyway, yes. So we're going to get into this video, and I'm so excited to do this challenge. By the way, I just want to say I do not know how to sing. So I'm gonna do a terrible job. But this is a competition, and it's not about if you can sing or whatever. It's about if you can harmonize or whatever.
I get points, right?
We get points, yeah. So if you harmonize, if you're able to harmonize with me, you get a point. If I'm able to harmonize with you, you get a point. And you know how harmonizing goes, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get into this video.
So
we're going to do 5 songs a piece. No, you don't have to do the music. We do 5 songs a piece, and if you can catch that harmony, then you gonna get a point.
1 point is gonna go to me. Many points is gonna go to me.
What was that eye thing that you just did?
I zoomed in so you know.
Okay, so what's your first song?
Dilemma by Nelly and Kelly.
Okay, let's see.
Okay. Nah, love you, nah, need you, Nelly, I love you, I do, need you no matter what I do. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, boy, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I got a point with my non-singing ass. I went low and you went high. Got my point.
Whatever.
This is My Boo by Alicia Keys and Usher.
Okay.
There's always that one person that will always have your heart. You'll never see it coming 'cause you're blinded from the start. Know that you're that one for me. It's clear for everyone to see. Oh, baby, you will always be. I don't know about y'all, but I know about us.
And it's the only way we know how to rock.
I don't know about y'all,
but I know how
about
to.
us.
And it's the only way we know how to rock.
Good. Good. That was good. That was good. You got a point. You got a point. Whatever. You got a point. Okay, so she got a point. I got a point. It's her go next.
The very first time that I saw your brown eyes, your lips said hello and I said hi. I knew right then you were the one, but I was
caught up in physical attraction, but to my satisfaction, baby, you are more than just a friend. And if I ever fall in love again, we have to do that over. We so have to do that over. Hey, this is weak. I don't know what it is that you've done to me, but it's caused me to act in such a crazy way. Whatever it is that you do, what you're doing, it's a feeling that I want to stay. 'Cause my heart starts beating triple times with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do when the cause and cure is you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me. In the days it looks so amazing. It's not a phase. I want you to stay with me. By my side, I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, it knocks me right off of my feet. Can't explain why your love that makes me weak. That was lit. Slapping. Look, my tongue you from California now. Your tongue was not just blue. We gotta have to edit that because it was not just blue before this one. There you go.
Don't listen to what people say. They don't know about you and me. Get it out your mind, 'cause it's jealousy. They don't know about this sin. Don't listen to what people say. They don't know about you and me. Get it out your mind, 'cause it's jealousy. They don't know about this sin. Okay.
Alright, my go. See, the thing about you that caught my eye is the same thing that makes me change my mind. Kind of hard to explain, but girl, I try. You need to sit down, this may take a while. See this girl, she sort of looks just like you. She even smiles just the way you do. So innocent she seemed, but I was fooled. I'm reminded when I look at you. You remind me of a girl that I once knew. See your face whenever I look at you. Wouldn't believe all of the things she put me through. This is why I just can't get with you. Okay, that was slapping.
Okay, the next one is mine, and it's gonna be, and you're my little secret, and that's how it should keep it. You should never let it go, never let it go, 'cause you know, like I know, that you should never let it go. You're my little secret, and that's how we should keep it. You should never.
It's going to be understanding. That's it. What I need from you is understanding. Wait, hold on. Let me start that over. What I need from you is understanding. How can we communicate when you don't hear what I say? What I need from you is understanding. So simple as 1, 2, 3. Understanding is what I need. They don't even know me. They just wanna do what they wanna do.
That's not the way that it should be, no. You should listen to me, boy.
Something.
Okay, brother. This is like my 4th song.
Okay, I feel like we never lost.
This is my 4th.
Like tied.
This is my 4th song.
Right.
Actually, my 5th, but it's okay. Sweet lady, would you be my sweet love for a lifetime? I'll be there when you need me. Just call and receive me up. My sweet lady, yeah. Any other day, I will play it cool, but I won't now because I want you. You got a point for that.
Okay.
Okay, that was my last song.
Okay, let's see. Mine is going somewhere. You asked if it's another man. I said no. You laughed and said, is it a woman? I said yes. Surprisingly, you asked me for her name, and the name is me. And she loves me more than you'll ever know. And I finally see that loving you and loving me just don't seem to work at all. So patiently, I'm waiting on you to tell you that she needs love, and to choose between you two. Boy, you know if I had to choose, I'd choose me. Oh, yeah. Good job. That was so fun. Seems like a time to me, Roger. sick of time. So there you have it. That was a harmonizing challenge, and I don't know if we did it correctly. I just know we have fun doing it, and that's all that matters. And I'm so thankful for this lovely lady coming to do a video with me. If you want to see more of Chadai, Miss Chadai, comment down below in the comment section and let a sister know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Snapchat at AprilKapri, Kapri. And then follow me on Instagram at closestthing_to perfect. Give them your social media handles.
You can follow me on Instagram at goddess_provocateur. And you can follow me on Snapchat at goddess_sha.
I'll leave all of that in the description box below. Thanks so much for tuning in. I promise you that I won't wait 3 months again to post a video. And I love you guys.
Seven P.